In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Myfxbook news. If you're a forex trader, staying on top of market news can help you understand why price moves the way it does and prepare for what might come next. Myfxbook offers a clean, trading-focused news stream that's easy to access and interpret once you know where to look and what to pay attention to. I'll walk you through the process and share practical pointers so you can read with confidence and make sense of the headlines. Start by heading to myfxbook.com and logging into your account. Being signed in keeps your experience consistent across sessions, so what you see is tailored to you and loads quickly. It also helps you move between areas of the site smoothly. Make sure you're using a private, secure connection and consider bookmarking the homepage for faster access in the future. Once you're in, you're ready to navigate directly to the news you need. Next, look for the Analysis section on the main navigation bar and select News. The Analysis area is where Myfxbook groups tools and insights that support decision-making, and the News page brings together market-moving stories from reputable sources in one place. Give the page a moment to load, then take a breath and scan the layout. You'll see headlines, timestamps, and often the currency or topic focus right up front. This quick overview helps you prioritize what deserves your attention first. Now, click the news item that interests you. Before you open it, glance at the publish time to gauge freshness, and note any currency tags that relate to the pairs you trade. Once inside the article, start with the headline and the first paragraph to capture the key idea: what happened, to whom, and why it matters. Look for mentions of central banks, inflation, employment, or geopolitical developments, as these often drive volatility. Pay attention to direct quotes or official statements, since they carry more weight than general commentary. As you read, consider the tone, whether it's confirming a trend or signaling a possible shift, and think about how it may influence risk sentiment across related currencies. Keep your approach simple and focused. Prioritize the most recent pieces, favor credible sources, and relate each story to your trading plan and time frame. If you're a short-term trader, immediacy and potential volatility are key. If you're longer term, weigh the structural implications and whether the story changes the bigger picture. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Analysis, open News, and click the articles that matter to you. With a few minutes of practice, Myfxbook News becomes a reliable part of your daily routine.